Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to enable set time automatically on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To enable set time automatically on Windows 11 computer, right click on Start menu, click on Settings. In left pane, click on Time and Language. Now click on Date and Time. Here you will find the first option, Set Time Zone Automatically. Now it's turned off. Just click here to turn it on. And then you will find another option, Set Time Automatically. It's turned off right now. Just click here to turn it on. Now Set Time Automatically is turned on in my Windows 11 computer. This is the easiest way to enable set time automatically on Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.